Hi everyone, my name is Chuck Watry and I'm a field product expert for Broan-NuTone. Today we're going to be making a short video on a Broan PM300SS power pack. The purpose of the video is to show you how to get up inside this unit to change most parts. So let's get started. Alright, the first thing you want to do anytime you go up inside any of our range hoods or power pack or whatever it may be, always make sure that the power is turned off. So go turn that power off at that breaker before you begin. To get at the lights, the switches, what you would do then after the power is turned off is you would remove this filter. This filter is removable but just by grabbing this finger tab, and you'd be pushing towards the back of this where installed. Right now I have this unit on a table for filming purposes, and here's the filter spring on that unit. The tools that you will need, you can use either a Phillips head screwdriver, or here I have a 1/4 inch nut driver is what I'll be using today. First thing is take off the electrical box cover. There is 1/4 inch screw here, and I'm going to go ahead and remove this electrical box cover. If this is a brand new unit and you are just installing it, this is also where the parts bag is located inside this unit. And right here would be the parts bag. If this were installed, this is where the electrical would come in through one of these knockouts. To remove this whole grill, there are 4 screws. You get 2 on the right and 2 screws on the left. And I'm going to go ahead get these screws removed as well. That's 2, and 2 more will be 4. All right. Once the 4 screws are out, this unit will come down. And I'm just going to flip this around for you here, so you can take a look at this. And actually you can get at everything right now. You can get at the switch for the light and for the fan. Everything is push on terminals. There's spade terminals. Here are the lights. We have quick connectors on the light, so if you take your pointing finger and your thumb and you just squeeze, you can disconnect that light harness. Lights pop out. There's clips on each side. If you just squeeze those clips, the lights will pop right out like so. Switch assemblies, same thing. Basically these are push-on terminals. You can just grab on, you can pull the terminals off, and the switch itself is held in by tabs. You can squeeze the 2 tabs and push the switch out. And insert a new one from outside to inside. This unit, if you ever need to replace the motor on this unit, there's actually only 2 nuts. You remove the 2 nuts and follow the harness up. You have the black and the red. You would just pull it off the switch. And your white would be wire nutted into your neutral down in that wiring box. But it's a very simple unit. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.